Hello, in this video I would like to discuss about the location of Maldives. So Maldives is an island nation and we'll see some facts about Maldives first. The very meaning of Maldives is garland of islands. So this is the meaning of the word. So as Maldives looks like a placement of Maldives looks like a garland of different islands, so many islands. So this is called as garland of islands. Maldives got its independence in the year 1965. So the British gave independence to Maldives in this year, and in 1968 Maldives is declared as the Republic of Maldives. So it declared itself as officially as Republic of Maldives in 1968. The first to colonize Maldives were the Dutch that came in 17th century. Later came the British, and finally they gave independence to Maldives. And Maldives has got as a whole 1200 coral islands. So all of Maldives is in these 1200 coral islands that are arranged in 26 atolls. So I'll show what an atoll is. So an atoll is a ring-shaped island or a ring-shaped coral reef. So this is an atoll. This is basically an island that will have the extension of ocean into it. So as this is present in Indian Ocean, this coral reef or this island will have the extension of ocean into it. So this ocean inside, which is extended into this atoll, is called a lagoon. So this is called a lagoon and this is called an atoll. So all these 1200 coral islands of Maldives are arranged in 26 of this kind of atolls. 26 of these are totally of Maldives. So the basic formation of Maldives is out of volcano. So a mountainous range which is now submerged has brought Maldives out. That is a volcanic mountainous range. And Maldives is regarded as one of the most highly vulnerable countries because the just above the sea level it is just 8 feet that it is having the highest peak. So the highest peak of Maldives is just around 8 feet above sea level. So this is very low, and when rises up and when sea level rises up due to climate change, Maldives is highly vulnerable to be submerged. So this is considered as one of the most vulnerable countries in the world. But Maldives has got highest literacy rate, that is 98% of literacy rate. This is regarded as the highest in all the South Asian countries. Amongst all South Asian countries, Maldives has got the highest literacy rate. And Divehi is the official language of Maldives, which we call as Maldivian language. The original name of it is Divehi. But apart from Divehi, Maldives people also speak Hindi, Arabic and English. But Divehi is officially recognized as the national language of Maldives. And I have given some listing of listing of some landforms and some countries here. Malé is the capital of Maldives and it is located in Indian Ocean, in north central Indian Ocean. The exact location of Maldives in Indian Ocean is north central. And equator passes south to Maldives. It doesn't touch Maldives, but it passes just south to Maldives. So north of equator there is Maldives. And Maldives is located south to India and Sri Lanka. So we'll see the mapping of Maldives in a brief way in relation to this listing. So basically Maldives look like this. So as I've told, it looks like garland of islands. So this is basically garland of islands. So many islands that are literally arranged in this fashion. So in a vertical fashion in the north central Indian Ocean. So this is Indian Ocean. So all of this is Indian Ocean. So Maldives is located in the north central part of Indian Ocean. So the capital of Maldives, as we have seen, it is Malé. So Malé is located in this area, in this region, one of the islands. So now we'll see the location of Maldives with respect to India and Sri Lanka. So if we can consider this as the southern part of India, so Maldives is located on the south side of India. And as we can know, this is Sri Lanka. And Maldives is also little south to Sri Lanka. So in the Indian Ocean, if we can see the location of Maldives, India and Sri Lanka, they are placed in this fashion, in this manner. So this is the basic location of Maldives, and we'll see how equator goes below Maldives. It doesn't touch Maldives, but just below Maldives. It almost looks like it touched Maldives, but it doesn't touch it. So equator goes in this way, south to Maldives. So this is the basic location of Maldives in the Indian Ocean, and this is called as the garland of islands. There are so many islands in Indian Ocean, but only Maldives is called as the garland of islands. So this is the basic mapping of it, and thank you.